So someone hit me up. They're like, hey, KT, man, listen, I like your car content. You always, showing stuff about people cars and there's other folks' cars. If you so into cars, I mean, do you even have a car? Do you have a project or anything? What's up with you? And to answer his question, yes, I do have a car. I do have a project car. I've had cars, many cars in the past, but never really fixed them up like that. And excuse me, like I said, I'm sweating out here. And I never really fixed them up. So it's one of those things where I never showed them, and then I end up like selling them and stuff like that. But I do have a project, and I'm gonna just show y'all, and I'm gonna tell y'all, what I'm gonna do with it, okay? Or what my plans are. So I have a 1990 Mustang GT convertible. It's an automatic. So before y'all kill me, oh my God, he doesn't even have a manual. Yes, I would. Initially, I thought I wanted to have a manual, and I kind of still do. But like the prices right now with the manuals, the 5-speeds are kind of going crazy with the Foxbodies, and it has to make sense for me. And a lot of them, especially with the hard top 5-speed, a lot of those cars been ran through. A lot of people trying to race them and stuff, and it's like, do I even want to invest all that money in there? I don't know. So I plan on getting one in the future. So that means the price is gonna go up, gonna keep going up, but it is what it is. I ended up getting this car because I got a decent deal on it. And like I say, even though I want a manual, I'm kind of cool with it being an automatic because sometime in traffic, I just don't want to deal with switching gears and stuff, especially in a 90 Mustang. So either way, I'm cool. I know the purists and, it's a certain Mustang demographic out there that won't like that and won't agree, and that's cool. It's all good. So what do I plan on doing with this car? What do I want to do with this car? I'm really not going to do too much, but it's still going to cost some. It's going to cost, right? So I want to get the car painted back red. I definitely need to get the top done, the white top. I need to get the top done because the car had been sitting for a while. So the way I got the car, it had been sitting for a while, and a guy that was working at a body shop ended up getting the car, and he's a Chevy guy, but he got the car. He got it for like a steal, and he was gonna fix up the car, but he ended up getting like a '73 Chevelle Iguana. He like, man, I'm not gonna put the money in this Mustang. I'm a Chevy guy. I'm gonna get rid of it. Cool. That's why I came in, and I got the car. So it has like, I think it has like 107,000 miles on it, which isn't. I don't think it's too bad for it being a 1990 car. But the guy, while I've been sitting out for a while, the top got real hard and stuff, and I tried to manually make the top come down and start getting a lot of cracks in it and stuff. So I definitely need to change that. And so I'm gonna do that. And speaking of the top, apparently these cars are known for having for the pumps to go out in the convertible tops. I didn't know that. I changed the convertible top motor because I thought there was something wrong with the motor, but I have a new motor in there and it's still doing the same thing. So when I'm hitting the switch, I can hear the motor working, but the top isn't going up and down. So I'm like, it can't be a fuse, it can't be the actual switch, it can't be the relay if I'm hearing a motor. So I've been talking to a few people that say it's probably the pumps. They tend to go bad on these cars. So I'm gonna do that. All right, so cool. I need to get it painted. I need to change the top. And I'm gonna put the spokes on it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some wire wheels on there. I was thinking about doing the standards, but I'm like, nah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the reverse lip, offset. And again, I know it's part of the Mustang population that may not agree with that, because I've seen people with these cars with the spokes on there, and a lot of people don't like it, and that's cool. But here's the thing: at the end of the day, we all have different like influences. The only reason I really even like Mustangs is the Mustang Fox bodies is because of menace to society. That's the first time I saw it, and they were like, oh, that's cool. And that's what they did. Like, that's what Kane did with his car, right? So speaking of Kane, I named my car. All right, so I named all my cars. So the name of my car is Kane. All right, now why is it Kane? It's Kane because, you know, the movie Menace to Society, Kane drove the car. It's red and white, like a candy cane. All right. I used to grow up, I grew up watching wrestling, so you had, Kane. Now, don't get me wrong, Kane, he had a red outfit and with the black on there, but he was white though. So I mean, it kind of go hand in hand, you know. I'm just joking, and it has white interior, so you got that Kane, right? Anyway, I'm just joking, but it is named Kane, but it's with a K though, since my name begins with a K, and some people call me K, just K. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about my project. I don't know how long it would take for me to get to where I need to where I want it. I know stuff expensive out here. I'm no mechanic by any stretch of the imagination, but I be on YouTube University, so I gotta be out here learning how to do things on my own to save money. I'm just a regular person like everyone else. Like, I don't just have the money to just go out here like, yo, I want you to do this, and that. And I want to enjoy my car, so I drive it like it is. I know sometimes, people won't bring their cars out until they finish and all this and that. The one thing I learned is, like, you never know how long you have on this earth. You never know when we leaving here. So if you can drive your car, if something as such as driving your car give you a little bit of joy or happiness, do it. Like, just don't wait, because you never know. You never know. So y'all let me know. Maybe some of y'all are experts when it comes to Fox bodies. I don't know. If y'all been listening to me and looking at this for all this time, y'all the real goats. I definitely appreciate you all. If y'all have any insights, leave something in the comment section. I appreciate the hate. I appreciate the love, just the engagement in general. I appreciate that. As always, thank y'all. Y'all have a good one. Be safe out there. Holla at y'all next time. All right? Peace.